It's your boy Ike, and today we're going to talk about the BVN. I've been getting a lot of indirect requests to make this video, and today I wanted to make a video of what BVN is, why, and what is not. So the other day I was referring someone to Trove, the investing app, and then there was like, they're in my BVN, hope my account is safe, hope my money is safe. And if you are lower than 50 years old, you are lower than 30 years old, and you have skepticism, you have all this fear for BVN, then there is a war in your village. All the skepticism, all the fears will be eluded. In this video, we'll be answering the questions like what, why, and can BVN be used to access your bank account? So drop the like button if you like this video and subscribe if you want to be part of the family. BVN is an acronym for Biometric Verification Number. It is a unique identification number of 11 digits that is issued to every bank customer. BVN was created by the Central Bank of Nigeria and the Bankers Committee in the year February 14, 2014. And it was meant to be a central identification system for everything financial in Nigeria. That's why fintechs, banks, and apps related to finance and lending request for the BVN. There are two types of BVN: premium tier called the BVN Premium and the less sophisticated version called the BVN Lite. BVN Premium are classification for BVN in which all the 18 requirements for getting a BVN account are met. Why BVN Lite is the less sophisticated version of the BVN Premium, in which only the name of the bank holder, the account number, the phone number, and the email address is needed to gain a BVN. The best analogy for BVN is just like, let me say, a NIN for all the financial services that you can offer in Nigeria. Just take it as a report card to your school, where the school year is Nigeria, and then your report card is just a file of everything concerning you. It's the key to your locker. BVN was created to curb frauds and fraudsters and other fraudulent activities as it identifies users across different financial services all across Nigeria. For instance, when a user goes to a money lending app like Carbon and maybe violates the terms and conditions of the agreement, he or she can be blacklisted and then barred from other financial services concerning money lending. Some apps even go to the extent of searching for the user through the bio data in the BVN and or calling his or her relatives. It also helps curb identity fraud, as creating a new BVN would be like creating a new human being, because you need a new fingerprint for the person, a new phone number, a new home address, NIN, a new email, etc. And the answer is yes, but no. And people say, I can't give my BVN away because I steal my money, etc. But I've asked bankers, etc., and they say that BVN cannot be used to access your money. At least not just the BVN. Like the analogy I used the other time, BVN, if Nigeria was a school, is just like an identity card, the card you feel when you get into the school. It does not hold your locker key. There have been instances where the BVN and your phone number are used to access money into the banks of people. In those instances, the fraudulent people actually had an inside man, a very greedy banker, who used the BVN to access the biodata, just like the date of birth, the NIN, the mobile and online banking passwords, the secret question, etc. And then all this biodata will be used to change the PIN of the BVN. In some places also, you might be called by bankers, so-called bankers and associates of banks, and be asked to get your credit or debit card details. So at least keeping your BVN safe is a good way of not losing your money, but the BVN alone does not give access to the money in your bank account. And if you're up to this video, it means that we are meant to be together. Consider liking and subscribing to this video. At least, please like this video. I'm sweating. The apps like Trove, Piggyverse, Cowrywise, Carbon, etc. They all use your BVN to verify that it is actually a human being behind the screen. And then check if you have violated any of the terms in other apps to know if you are blacklisted, and maybe consider shutting you off if you were blacklisted. Banks don't actually have direct access to the funds in your bank. But if you are so paranoid and pessimistic about apps, I'm going to leave a link in the description about the SEC, so you can go to the SEC website to check if they are verified and they are accepted as fintechs or fintech related apps in Nigeria. But there are also instances where good apps don't get verified in SEC. But generally, apps don't have access to the money in your bank. So I hope you were all fared well. And if anyone asks me about the BVN, etc., I just link them to this video. Consider liking and subscribing. And my name is Ikechukwu Samuel, IK On Demand. I'm going to leave a link to my Instagram in the description. Feel free to stalk me, harass me, etc. Bye.